Okay, so for the date, they do it a little differently than we do. We write the month first and then the date, the number, right? So for October 30th, we would say it's October 30th. But in French, you would say they write the little word le before the date, always. So for October 30th, it would be written as le 30 octobre, the 30 October. All right, so if it was the 5th of October, they would say le 5 octobre, the 5 October. So the number comes before the month. If it's the first of the month, they don't put the number 1 in there. They don't say le 1 Novembre or whatever. They use the word premier, which is kind of like premiere, like a premiere of a movie is the first time it's released, right? Premiere often means 1 or the first. So for November 1st, they would say le 1er novembre. So quelle est la date? What is the date? We would answer c'est le number and the month. So in this calendar here, we would say June 30th. It's June 30th. French say it's the 30th of June. C'est le 30 juin. So similar idea with your birthday. C'est quand ton anniversaire? This looks like anniversary, but think of this as like the anniversary of your birth. This is the word for birthday. C'est quand ton anniversaire? When's your birthday? And your answer to that would be mon anniversaire est the number, and the month. So for me, I was born on December 9th. So I would say my birthday is the 9th of December. Mon anniversaire est le 9 décembre. Okay, so you're about to watch 2 videos. They're the guy who makes them. It's called like French immersion, so it's all in French, but he acts things out and he tries to make it really fun and easy for you to understand. You might not understand every single word, and that's okay. That's how French immersion works. Like it's all French. You're going to get bits and pieces of it. You'll get the gist. But I think they're cute, and I like them. So I hope you do too. So you're going to watch one about the days of the week, and then another for the months of the year to kind of get those back in your brain again. Then you're going to work on a Google form to answer some questions, and this is just for practice. So I'm not giving you a grade, but I want you to do your best work, and I'm going to be checking it to see how you did. And this presentation that I made is in your Google Classroom. So you're going to have to go back and look at some things, right? Because I'm going to ask you on the form, quelle est la date? What is the date? And I'm going to expect you to write it this way in French. C'est le, and whatever the date is today. So you have to go back and look at the Google slide to help you to do the Google form. Don't do it from memory, from just watching this video once, because you're not going to remember, right? This is practice. So use this Google slide presentation to help you. Go back to it to look at the days of the week. Make sure you spell them right, the months of the year. Let's just take a peek at it real quick. Same questions in the beginning. Your name, when do you have French? Just some questions. What does jour mean? Aujourd'hui. If you don't remember, look back on the Google slide. Then some questions. And then when I ask you some French questions, like here it says, quel est ton mois préféré? Remember, I see preferred month. Oh, you're like, oh yeah, what's my favorite month? You're not going to write like June in there in English. No. And if you write juin in French, I would like that, but I would prefer it if you wrote a complete sentence. So if you go back to the Google slide presentation, you'll see exactly how to write that in a complete sentence, right? C'est le... Oh, no, I'm doing the date. Sorry. Mon mois préféré est octobre, or whatever your favorite month is. All right. So when your birthday, same thing. You're going to write it in French. So c'est quand ton anniversaire? When's your birthday? For me, I would write c'est le 9 décembre. And you can just put the number. You don't have to spell out the number. All right. And then it has some holidays. What month do they happen in? All right. I think that's it. That's all for today. Have fun and au revoir.